This is my peak rib stitch hat, so you can get a closer look at it. Closer look at how it will look whenever it's on. But how do we take it off the needles? It's 4 needles, which a lot of people can find very confusing. So the best way I found to do it is basically slip stitch it off. You can, if you want, put the yarn on a needle, go through each of the stitches like so, weave it through, and just all the way through and stitch off. So you set up similar to a knit stitch. Put the yarn around, slide it off. At this point I'm going to take off my stitch marker. And then just kind of slip this one on. Okay, so you still have 3 on your needle. You go bring this one through and over. This one through and over. Alright, so then we can switch that over. Now we're down to 4 needles total. One, 2, 3. Give yourself a little bit more space there. Get rid of the needle and move it around. Put this one on the tip, tighten it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Move it around again. More space. Now the end is still back here, so you can pull it. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 3. Now I did a long tail because I'm going to have to be sewing this in. So what you do is you just pull the tail through. Alright, now you should have a hole up here. If you can see that hole, try to get it, there we go. Alright, so you take the end that you just pulled through, pull it through, and then you tighten. Now we're inside out, but just tightening that we have made a cute little hat. Now at this point I usually trim it down a little bit. Take my needle, thread it, because here comes the complicated part. Right. You'll still see a little bit of a hole right here. So you go below the hole, then you go from the other side and above the hole. Alright, to the side. to the other side. And I do this a couple of times. Just pick a random stitch to go below, to go above. And then you can pick whichever side. And this side. For children, this is very important to do because they are very rough on knit items. Now then I usually take two here, go through, make a small little knot. If the rest unravels, the hat is still together. And then I go to the one next to it, so you can't see it really well, but this is where I'm at. The one next to it, go through, and that hides the knot. So you can't even tell. Then I go up, down, up, and down. So now you have a cute little hat. You don't have to worry about it coming apart. It looks cute up top. At this point, if you want to add a little pom-pom up here that you make, you can. I generally don't, because I find that a lot of kids can easily tear those off. Now all I have to do is weave this in, similar to above with the down, up, knot, down, up approach.